Welcome back to Tool Life. We have the Dewalt Extreme 12 volt multi-tool DCS353. OPM is 18,000. And then we got the Milwaukee M12 multi-tool 2426-20. OPM 5,000 to 20,000. And the length with a 2 amp hour battery .6 inches, in millimeters 271, with a 2 amp hour battery 10.9 inches, and in millimeters 278 millimeters. And the head length is 3.8 inches, and in millimeters 97. The M12 multi-tool head width 3.3 inches, and in millimeters 84. And the width 2.1 inches, and in millimeters 54. And in inches 1.9. In millimeters 48. DeWalt multi-tool with a 2 amp hour battery weighs 2.5 pounds and 1.13 kilograms. Milwaukee M12 multi-tool with a 2 amp hour battery weighs 2 pounds and 0.95 kilograms. Okay, let's go over a couple of the features. This, to change the blade, you gotta use an Allen key, which is kind of a pain. You have speeds on this, which is nice when you're doing delicate cuts. This, you have a light, which is nice. There is no speeds on this one, but you have a quick change, which is real nice for blades. With the Dewalt, the Milwaukee Speed 12. Let's try cutting a screw. The Milwaukee, this is a brand new blade and it's on speed 12.